Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Cozumel, Mexico. So we should be getting ready to dock. Not quite there yet. Should be getting ready to dock here probably in the next hour or so, but the island is definitely visible. We got a busy day today.
Yes.
We got a busy day today. We got a shore excursion. We're going to go save baby sea turtles. And then we have to get, someone requested a dream catcher.
Yes.
And then we have to go on the mystery hunt for pants. And that's all my fault.
Because Chris didn't pack right.
So for the ship tour tomorrow, the behind the scenes ship tour that we're going to do, you have to wear pants. It's one of the requirements. And I didn't pack a pair of pants. So we're also going to be on the hunt for pants. So join us today while we hunt pants in Cozumel, Mexico. So, I'll tell you one thing about this older ship that it's not a bad thing, but look, they don't put the day of the week in the elevator entrance. What do you think about that? You don't care about that one, do you? Well, it bugs me. I look forward to to seeing the day of the week. All right, so we're in the Windjammer for breakfast. Oh, there's all your parfaits, baby. All right, they got all of your breakfast parfaits. They got your fresh fruit. On this side, they got fruit. Build your own parfait. Tiffany likes that. She's a parfait fan. They got your cereals. Over here, you have your hot cereals, your oatmeals. You got your bread selections. You have your drink station. And then you come over here and you have the main area. So this is going to be your omelet station. Over here. And then all of your breakfast items here. All of your breads, your pastries, donuts, all through here. All right, so we went real simple this morning, just some waffles and some bacon. Tiffany got some eggs, corned beef hash, and of course her parfait. So, just a kind of a light breakfast today. All right, so there is an ambulance down there waiting on the dock this morning. Now, we did have a medical emergency on board yesterday. And that may be what that ambulance is for. All right, so welcome to Cozumel, Mexico. We are headed ashore here to go do a Save the Sea Turtle experience for our excursion today. You excited?
Yes.
All right, so let's go save some baby sea turtles. Tiffany is digging. See how far she's gotten down? But no turtles yet.
No turtles yet. Just keep going.
Dig, baby, dig. Tiffany got one. Look at the little guy. Oh.
You
They're going.
gotta put sand in the bucket?
Yes. Okay. Amigos, please one picture together. Sir, one picture together. And you.
Oh, okay. All right, so we finished in the hole. We pulled out 96, you said, babe? 96 eggs, or eggshells. Our one live baby turtle. It's going crazy there in the bucket. Now he'll be in the bucket here until this evening. They said they let him go in the evening. That way the predators don't get him during the daytime. So that's the only reason he's in the bucket and not currently in the ocean. But so you can get a good look at him. Here's the vehicle we came in. It's an open-aired truck. Ride was a little bit rough, but it's good. Everybody, we are currently here at Punta Morena. It's a little resort place they brought us to after we finished with the sea turtles, which was awesome, by the way. We saved our one sea turtle, but man, that's very tiring. It definitely wore us out. You can see Tiffany is over there enjoying some relaxing time there in a chair. She's got a nice little tiki hut here to hang out under. You just relaxing, baby?
Just chilling.
But we're supposed to be here for about an hour and a half. They got food, they got drinks. I said beach, you can mess in the water. Or you can just relax. They got hammocks and stuff over here. So it's just gonna be a really good time. So we're gonna relax here for a little while. Just kind of take some video, take some pictures. And enjoy our time here. And then we're gonna get some tequila on the way out. When we came in, no, Tiffany and I, we're not drinkers. We're not drinkers at all. But we stopped and we tasted tequila, and we're actually gonna buy a bottle of tequila today. So we're gonna get one. Tiffany's chilling, relaxing. She better not be playing on her phone now. I bring her to Cozumel, Mexico, and she's playing on her phone. You playing on your phone?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, swing, baby.
You can only go so far. Yes, ma'am.
Look, we have more here.
So they definitely have shopping. It says sports gear. They got the dream catchers. So they got a little shopping area right through here. You can see Tiffany's in there shopping because we did have a request for a dream catcher from back home. So Tiffany's taking a look. All right, so we are back in the cruise port. Excursion finished, had a wonderful time. And now we start the hunt for pants. I gotta learn to pack better sometimes. All right, so we are heading back to the ship. Excursion is complete. The great hunt for pants, well, it was successful, believe it or not. It only took us about 20 different places. And so we finally got lucky. Finally found a pair of pants. So at least I won't have to skip the ship tour tomorrow, the behind the scenes tour. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and head back on the ship and continue our day. So we'll catch up with you guys later.